You ever stare at your toolbox, see a bunch of random parts and think, what if I mashed these together? That's exactly how this story starts. With two old motorcycle spark plugs, a breaker, just collecting dust. Not exactly the recipe for genius, right? But sometimes boredom plus a little curiosity is all you need to spark an idea. Pun absolutely intended. So picture this. I'm rummaging around, and my eyes land on these spark plugs. Now usually these guys are just minding their business, making engines go vroom. But today I'm feeling adventurous. I grab a breaker. That chunky switch meant to keep your house from turning into a fireworks show. Suddenly I'm thinking, can I make something new out of this odd couple? It's not exactly a scene from a high-tech lab, more like a garage with too much free time. I start tinkering, twisting, and before I know it, I've got this Frankenstein device. Part breaker, part spark plug, all curiosity. If you saw it, you'd probably laugh or maybe question my sanity. But here's the thing. Sometimes it's not about making something useful. It's about asking what if, and seeing where it takes you. Now let's be clear. This little homemade contraption isn't about replacing Pro Tools or making your life easier. It's just a creative experiment. Does it work? Kind of. It creates a reaction. Is it safe? Absolutely not. This is more of a science fair moment than a home improvement hack. What I love most about moments like this isn't the device itself. It's the process. It's that split second where you forget the rules and let your brain play. Maybe you end up with a weird spark plug gadget. Maybe you learn what not to do, or maybe, just maybe, you get inspired to try your own safe, creative project. If you ever stumble across a wild invention like this, especially around electricity, remember, safety comes first. Power off everything, keep your fingers far, far away, and honestly, leave the real repairs to proper gear. Garage curiosity is awesome, but fried hair, not so much. What I love most about moments like this isn't the device itself, it's the process. It's that split second where you forget the rules and let your brain play. Maybe you end up with a weird spark plug gadget. Maybe you learn what not to do. Or maybe, just maybe, you get inspired to try your own safe creative project. So, next time you're staring at your toolbox, don't be afraid to ask what if. Just, have a fire extinguisher nearby. And a healthy sense of humor. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this little journey into curiosity, hit that like button, and let me know what random inventions you've come up with. This little contraption might not change the world, but it changed my afternoon. And sometimes that's exactly what you need. Who knows? Your next random combination might be the start of something amazing. Just remember, safety first, creativity second. Because the best inventions come from minds that are still attached to their bodies. Don't forget to subscribe for more curious creations. Until next time, stay curious and stay safe. Who knows what you'll discover in your own toolbox?